Forest today, finding a trail that we have never ventured on before. So I don't know what we're going to come into or what we're going to see. I'm already looking at a possible structure right back there. Nice, looks nice. It's thick. And there's a game trail right there. Let's see if we can see it. And it's down there. It is interesting here because you have, oh yeah, that's interesting. You have an arch going over this way. Then you have another arch on top of it and a branch going that way, a floater just floating there. So that's a neat one. It's the first sign we saw so far in our new area. Kind of looking around here, still haven't really found, I think that's all natural here. That's all natural back there. I can tell a difference. It's just a total difference. But it's nice here. It's nice. I got this whole area here and to explore. Today's exploration day. Oh, cool. Look at that pine tree over there. Wait, it curves up. It's a cool tree. Now it's starting to look good. Now it's starting to look good. Yeah. Yeah. I do like it in here. Beautiful area, and it's a beautiful day, and it's dead quiet except for maybe one bird. Let's listen. Deer just came by in. That's fresh too. That's right there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but fresh deer track. Nice, beautiful, quiet day. There's one area that we checked out today. I didn't see very many structures. I saw a couple little signs. So I probably won't visit here too much, but it's a beautiful nature walk if you just want to go on a nice nature walk, because it's so nice and quiet today. Listen to that, nothing. Sorry, there was one cricket. I thought this was interesting because if you look on the ground here, there's like a triangle. It goes up to this X. So I thought that was pretty interesting. A triangle, possibly even an A. With that, and then the stick going behind it too. Yep, and then you got in the back, you got that one going that way and the way back, and it's crushed in between that other pine right there, if you can see it. So that was interesting. So we're down a random path number 2 today. Like today's exploration day. And there's so many paths that we never check out, and so we're gonna check them out. Right there's from a twister. From probably some tornado or something came around here. I thought there might be, I feel like there's water down in there because it looks like a hole. So I'm gonna venture down there and see what we got.
It's not a traveled road either.
No, it's not too traveled. But
which is kind of cool.
I know, I've seen that.
Nice little arch.
Yeah, little canopy. Like a pretty thick area. Look at that branch back there. It's wedged in between that pine tree right there. It's wedged right in. Making our way in the thickness of the Ocala National Forest. Trying to see We come out to an opening that I thought was here. Oops. I'm sorry, Dawn. I'm taking you through all the thickness. I thought, maybe I was wrong. Oh, that it was this way. And it's pretty odd for plastic bags to be way back here. Like this. Weird. Yeah, pretty far back here, right? Inches away now.
Oh, okay.
You see it? There it is. Oh my God. Well, that one didn't work out for us.
Fun.
It was different. Oh Lord, there's a lot of fairies here. Yeah, I told you I do go off trail. I do go off trail. But this was way off. Woo! We made it. I don't know where we are. Okay. But we made it out. Kind of easier area to walk around in. That's for sure. White stick. Some kind of impression here. Not sure what. Yeah, I see a floater over there. That one's been up there. Yeah. Nice. The exit over there. Now, all the areas we visited today, this one, to me, is the most promising for things might be happening and going on here. It just seems like it is to me. You have this, you have that, and you have that. That's neat there. Good area. And it's so quiet. Look at this a little bit more. So this tree going here, clipped in between these two right here. And that one is tight. Tight. And this one just leaning over. So I thought that was a neat little marker, structure, what have you. More investigation on this area that I was just looking at. This is pretty interesting here because there, you know, it just kind of, this stick goes weaved in there. And then if you go here, you have this really neat thing. This is being pulled down by this. And it's pretty tight. And through the two branches down there. And then, I'm coming. And then, you have this right here. Wow, this is really neat. Oh, I just heard a whistle. Whoa, look at this. Look at that. Yeah, follow that up to that, and it's clipped in, and the one that goes through, so that pine tree is going through that branch coming out, and this one has held it down. Now, what that means, I don't know, but this area has a lot of cool different, look, you have this. This is forked in to over here. We got deep, deep impression right here. That looks like a juvenile. That's pretty deep. That looks like a toe. I don't know if you can see it. But, I mean, it's, my foot's bigger. Could be a bear, you know. But this is arched through here, right through this tree. And from the back, oh boy. Yeah, this is going to be a good area. I'm glad we explored this area today. I just hope the forestry doesn't take it all down. I'm worried. It's close to that area. And Dawn, she got something really good too. So I'm gonna go look right now. We got a lot of nice ground growth here. I've been seeing a lot here more than anywhere today so far. Revisiting this gets me because you have that from there, but you have this pine coming here all the way through, and then it like points you to go to there. You got this one pointing the same way, and then Dawn has something. So who knows? Could it be related? I don't know. You never know. Dawn pointed out a structure in here, and I gotta go in here and see it now. And see how it's put together. Alright. Possible that could be a natural one. But then you got this stick under here with this holding it down. And then I'd question that. But look, this one. Wow, to me this is nice. This is so nice back here, oh my goodness. That's an arch, and that's a broke pine tree on top of it, but holding that other oak tree down. Oh my goodness, then you have this one that goes up and down. This makes like a good little nest right here, huh? Pretty neat. Look at this. Right here. Look. Good stuff. That's really good. Yeah. It's interesting in here. I'll tell you something else. I don't know. A little decoration, as Rebecca would say, hanging right upside down there. Right here. And that's a oak, and these are pines. Just to let you know. These are all pines. I hear her knocking. Maybe it was me. I was gonna show you something. I forgot what. So I'm walking in this area, and the first thing I see is a cute little X right there. And what is this? Oh, let me see front that way. Look at that. You got an arch, pinned down. You got that. That's neat. That's so neat. That is being pinned down by that. It's a very nice area. That's cool. Are you sure that's a woodpecker? Sounds like snapping. Oh shit, something's over there too. Listen. Maybe it's a squirrel. I don't know. Woodpecker, I think. Kind of looks like a handprint to me. Let's see if I can point it out. Alright. This would be a thumb, finger. This is distorted because of that. Possible handprint here. But this looks like a handprint to me. Thumb, finger. I don't want to disturb it. Bottom of the hand. That's what I see. Had a really super Valentine's Day. We got out, we found beautiful areas that we investigated, looked at, and walked on, and just having a kind of a nature trail day. And we found an area, this area here, our last area, that we are going to call Knottsville. We already said that, but that's what we're going to call it. It had a lot of knots on the trees with a lot of structures. And just sitting there looking at the knots on the trees, I was, saying there surely is a lot of knots in the trees around here. So we got the name anyway. Yeah. Nice area. Thanks for watching, guys. Are we in the forest?
Valentine's Day.
Did you hear that? No. Valentine's Day. Are we in the forest?
Valentine's Day. The